In 1978, James Dyson grew frustrated with his vacuum cleaner's loss of suction. Determined to solve this problem, he spent 5 years and built over 5,000 prototypes before inventing the first bagless vacuum cleaner using cyclonic separation technology. Despite facing rejection from major manufacturers, Dyson launched his own company in 1993. James Dyson's relentless pursuit of innovation and quality transformed the home appliance industry. Today, Dyson is a global leader known for cutting-edge technology in vacuum cleaners, air purifiers, and hand dryers, all built on the foundation of solving real problems through creativity and persistence. Dyson's story is a powerful example of how perseverance, innovation, and believing in your vision can revolutionize an industry.